Come and see. Good morning, everybody.
Guten Tag.
We are just about to do a workout with the Fit app.
Using Toto as a weight.
No, not. Basically, the app's really good actually because you get to pair your Apple Watch or your Fitbit or your Garmin device to the app, and then you like compete with other people all around the world. I say this as if like we've used this app so many times, but we're literally, I think this is like the 4th time we've used it. And
First time using it in about 10 months.
yeah, so we are going to get back into healthy living, change our lifestyles for 2021.
Have you seen the amount of chocolate that is through there?
I know, it's a bit ridiculous.
So I think you need to rephrase it.
Yeah, hopefully that chocolate will last us the whole of 2021.
Are you alright?
No. But yeah, so we are starting.
Say more, let me go. We're starting?
We're going to start a workout, and then we're also doing a challenge of 5k every day in January, which means that we're going to walk, run or jog 5k every day. It's obviously, what date is it? The 28th today. So we're starting a little bit early just to go with the flow.
Just to be that January rush, you see.
You'll see. Yeah.
What?
You have the funniest one.
I do.
You
What do
see?
you mean? That's my normal voice.
It's not.
It's slagging my normal voice, man. This is what it's came to. This is what lockdown does. What, was that funny as well, was it?
Yeah, it is. So yes, we are gonna
What was
start.
that?
What?
That voice.
It's not. You're actually. I can't do this with you. I actually can't do it. You're the worst. You just make fun of me all the time.
Is that not what this channel's all about?
No.
Are you alright? Are you alright, my boy?
You just want to be part of the fam.
Yeah, mind them looking at the camera lens.
Oh, Sheldon. So, we shall see you in about 10 minutes and we'll film this ridiculous cardio workout for you.
Just do my stretches, that's all.
So that is us
Sweating.
finished. That was difficult. That was so
That's
difficult.
chocolate and booze sweating out.
Like literally it is. I know. And that was only a 25-minute workout. So who was it with?
Yeah.
Adrian Herbert was the trainer for that today. I came 14th out of 27. So not too bad. 27 minutes, 312 calories, and yeah. So that was good fun. Did you enjoy it?
It was good.
Yeah.
Tough, like.
Tough. Got us back into the swing of things. So Now I think we will go shower, get ready, and head through to see Roro for his birthday. Babe, what are you having for lunch?
Macaroni cheese.
Macaroni cheese.
Macaroni cheese.
Macaroni cheese. I'm gonna have some roasted cheese, I think. We have just been to see little Roro for his 4th birthday. It was lovely, but very, very cold. It's been snowing here the last couple of days, so very icy, very cold outside. So we never really stayed for that long, but it was lovely to see him. And now we're gonna have some lunch, then we're gonna take a little dog walk, and then do all the bits and pieces around the house. We need to, this little stair gate here, we need to take that down today. We need to take the bed down, just do little bits and bobs around the house. So yeah, see you in a bit. Roasted cheese with a HP brown sauce. And yeah, I think I deserve it after the workout that we done this morning. Or it's just gonna like basically level the workout and the food together. To be fair, it is Christmas, so whatever guys, whatever. Enjoy that roasted cheese. So yes, I'm gonna sit and enjoy my roasted cheese and a cup of tea and chill until we go a little walk. See you in a bit. So we are on a little woodland walk. We're gonna try go 5k again, so that would be 3 5ks in 3 days, which would be good, wouldn't it?
Ah oui.
Ah oui. So yeah, it's just a little woods that's at the back of our house. It's a lovely little walk, but it is absolutely freezing.
Roasting.
Sheldon literally has no gloves, no hat, no walking boots, and I'm kitted out to the max. So let's see who complains first. Probably me. Here we go. So Shalds, who was the first to complain?
Wasn't it me?
Nah.
Who do you think was the first one to complain?
My hands are already freezing and I'm wearing gloves, so yeah. It is literally like proper frosty. So I don't know if we'll be able to complete the 5k today. Hopefully.
We will.
What are we at just now?
You're at about 1k.
1k. Great. And I'm freezing. I think I need like a hot water bottle to actually complete a 5k in the snow.
Yeah, leave. Yeah, come on.
Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see who complains second. I've got a feeling it'll be me again.
Stay.
Come on in. He didn't know who to go to there.
He knows who to go to.
Such a lovely day today. Such a lovely day today. There's been no complaining so far, has there, Sheld? Since the last complaint, there's been none so far. The battery is running out of the camera, and I didn't bring any on our walk, so...
Typical rookie, eh?
Rookie
Oh, did you see? You just ridiculous.
Dodo's just enjoying the ice. But yeah, I shall vlog when we're home. What are we at just now, Shad? About 2k?
Just over 2k.
Just over 2k, so I'm sure we will be able to make 5k. I'm going to stop off and get some potatoes for dinner on the way home, and then yeah, I'll vlog when we're home. Peace out. So we made it home. We done a 6k, which was quite good.
It's good.
With a wee stop to the shops on the way home.
We try.
Shalds has just taken the baby gate down. We basically had a baby gate for Toto so that he didn't have
For
to
the
go
dog.
upstairs. So yeah, it's only made a little hole, so I think he'll need to
Oh, no, I just need to paint it.
just
And paint it.
yeah, don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so he'll need to sand it and paint it, and then yeah, that'll be I think that's the only kind of thing that you need to do, Shelds, isn't it, to actually
And take
mend the
something from
house.
the loft.
Yeah. Oh, that lighting is shocking.
Looks good.
So yes, we made it home. I'm gonna make some dinner now. I'm gonna make some cottage pie, and then I've got a jigsaw to finish. I'll show you my jigsaw. This is what I've been doing over the festive period. So it's basically like a little Christmas one. It has taken me ages just to get this much, so God knows how long it's actually going to take me to finish it. But I've got like this little section which I'm really proud of, and then I've got a little train, and then a little Santa Claus as well. So yeah, I'm gonna basically make dinner and then probably just sit down and do the rest of my jigsaw. So my sister bought me this really cute candle for Christmas. It is hand poured in Glasgow and it's called Vanilla Box. It was like a little box that came with loads of different things, and it is, focus, Vanilla Noel. So it's white vanilla pods and white chocolate soy wax candle, but it came in the cutest like packaging, and then it kind of like gave you this little bottle that has got lots of matches, and then you can strike off your flame here, which I just thought was so cute, so that I can definitely like keep matches in here, and yeah, and you've got matches forever. So dinner is made. We're having
Dinner is served.
cottage pie. Yeah, we've had a busy day today. Very
Quite a productive day for a change.
productive day during lockdown, which is not the norm, but we've had a good day.
Yep.
And we're gonna sign off for the night. I might film a little bit of my jigsaw puzzle later on, but I think apart from that it'll be dinner, TV,
Take to a walk and chill.
chill and bed.
Yep.
Good night, guys.